Hi, this is Daniel for Gear Best, and today I bring you something different. It's a party light projector. It's the Blinblin Show 1. That's the name of the brand. I mean, the brand is Blinblin, and then this model right here is the Show 1. It's projecting right now there with a love sign, peace and love sign, but actually you can change to many others, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to move it and I'm going to turn it off and show you how it works. So it's very easy. Just open the center of the body of the device. There's a switch here. You just put it in the middle and it turns itself off. There's two modes of lighting. There's one, the normal mode on, where it will be always running, turned on. And then there's a 6-hour timer if you turn to the other side, which means it will be on for 6 hours, and after that it will turn itself off automatically. Now inside we have a little device here with one of the effects that is included in the box. Obviously this whole thing comes in the box. You can see here some accessories. It comes with 6 effects included, which is the one that I was projecting, the love sign, but there's also one for Easter right here. There's one for birthdays, for Christmas, for New Year's Eve, and one for Halloween with a witch flying in a broom. Now obviously these are only 6, but you can make more. I mean, your imagination goes as much as you want it to go, so you can make as much as you want. And even included there's this piece of plastic sheets right here where you can draw your own logos or signs and do whatever you want. You can cut them out and then insert them in these platforms. I will show you how it works as well. So let me take this one, the witch, the Halloween one. So we have a little platform here. Set the timer on, you close it down, and it will immediately start to work again. Look at that. See, and you can even change the speed of the rotation, so you can make it rotate very slowly or faster as it is right now. Obviously the applications for this are a lot. You can use it in parties, or you can use it like if you have a store or some business, if you want to advertise it outside your logo, like project it in the streets, in the floor, in walls. You can do whatever you want. I mean, again, for parties, celebrations, it's up to your imagination. Also included, it's this stake right here, which serves 2 purposes. You can either defend yourself from vampires with it, or you can attach it to the bottom here. Now it comes with this platform included here, which I can remove to show you again. Let me see. Again, to speed up, it comes out. Once you have it on, you can just take this, just stick it on the floor, like on the ground, on the dirt, whatever you want, in some surfaces like in a garden, because by the way it's waterproof. It's IP65 waterproof, meaning you can have it under the rain, under bad weather, you know, with showers. Again, if it's in the garden and you have like the hoses there, watering the garden, it's okay, it won't break. It's perfectly prepared for that. I'm just taking it off again. Also the focus is included, so you can just pull the lens up and down and it will focus the logo more. You know, it will just give it more focus or less according to the distance that it has to the surface where it is projecting. So that's it. Check all the links below to buy and to check the specifications and all the details about this Blinblin Show 1. It's the perfect light projector for parties, for celebrations, for events, and for your business, for your store. If you really want to have some glamorous, that really stands out, some kind of advertising, this is really perfect. And you can use whatever logo you want, whatever effect. It's up to you. You can do it yourself. It's perfect. You know, just like, subscribe, and check Gear Best. There's more products from Blinblin as well. Thank you for watching.